Hi everybody, how are you today? Thank you. Welcome to our English class. Okay, last time we saw the comparative of adjective, and I told you that there is the comparative of superiority, the comparative of inferiority, the comparative of equality, and the comparative of irregular adjectives. Okay, today we are going to see the superlative of adjective. Okay, the superlative of adjective. So at the level of the superlative of adjective, in the first part we have the superlative of superiority. Okay, the superlative of superiority. So at the level of the superlative of superiority, here too we must distinguish the rule into two parts. That is, we have the rule for short adjective and the rule of long adjective. Okay, for short adjectives, the superlative of superiority of short adjectives is you take the plus adjective plus est. The plus adjective plus est. Example, the laziest. Here lazy is an adjective ending in y. So remember, you must transform the y into I before you add the est. The laziest, the nicest, the nicest, the highest, the highest. Tenakuru is the highest mount in Burkina Faso. Tenakuru is the highest mount in Burkina Faso. Usain Bolt was the fastest runner in the world. Usain Bolt was the fastest runner in the world. It means that there is no runner who is faster than Usain Bolt in the world. No. Okay, Usain Bolt was the fastest runner in the world. Remember well, last time I told you that the superlative is used to compare more than two things or two people. Okay? Usain Bolt was the fastest runner in the world. Now let's move on the superlative or superiority of long adjective. So the rule of long adjective is you take the rule is you take the plus most plus adjective. Okay, the plus most plus adjective. Examples: the most important, the most important, the most beautiful, the most beautiful. Ali is the most hard-working student in the world. Ali is the most hard-working student in the world, which means that in the world there is no student who works harder than Ali. Rodwoko is the most expensive market in Burkina Faso. Rodwoko is the most expensive market in Burkina Faso. I wish you know Rodwoko. Rodwoko is the biggest market in Ouagadougou, even in Burkina Faso. Okay? Rodwoko is the most expensive market in Burkina Faso. Now we are going to move to the superlative of inferiority. So at the level of the superlative of inferiority, the rule is the plus least plus adjective. Okay, you take the plus least plus adjective. Example, Toto is the least clever of the children. Toto is the least clever of the children. Okay, before we move on to the next part, we are going to see a note. So let's come back on the example we saw a few minutes ago. Look at here. Here you have in Burkina Faso. Rodwoko is the most expensive market in Burkina Faso. So let's continue. Okay. Ali is the most hardworking student in the world. Can you see in here? In is a preposition. In is a preposition. Okay, have you seen the two examples? Let's come back here. Toto is the least clever of the children. Have you seen of? Okay. Here, you must put in mind that in the superlative, if you want to use in and of, you must know that in is used for the localities and of is used for groups of elements. When you see Toto here, look at this example. Toto is the least clever of the children. So, of here, of the children represent a groups of elements. If you want a groups of person or people. But when you look at in, Rodwoko or Ali is the most hardworking student in the world. In the word represent a place or a locality. So, you must pay attention to the use of in and of when you are dealing with the superlative. Now we are going to move on to the third part of the superlative, which is the superlative of irregular adjectives. Okay, the superlative of irregular adjectives. So at this level 2, here there is no rule to master the superlative of irregular adjective. There is no rule. So the only rule here is to know them by heart. So you have to memorize them by heart. It is the only way. If not, there is no rule. Okay? When you take good, here you have good. The superlative of good is the best. And the meaning is le mieux or le meilleur. The meaning in French. Le mieux or le meilleur. So good, the best, and the meaning is le mieux or le meilleur. Bad. The superlative of bad is the worst. The worst in French is le pire or le plus mauvais. Le pire or le plus mauvais. Far. The superlative of far, okay, we can say the farthest or the furthest. Okay, the farthest or the furthest. So both of them means in French le plus loin. Okay, le plus loin. So far, the superlative is the farthest or the furthest. And the meaning in French is le plus loin. Little. The superlative of little is the least. And the meaning is, in French, is le moins. Okay? Little, the least. The meaning in French is le moins. Much. The superlative of much is the most. And the meaning is le plus. The superlative of much is the most, and the meaning in French is le plus. Many, the superlative of many is the most, and the meaning in French is le plus. Okay, many, the superlative of many is the most, and the meaning in French is le plus. Okay? We have finished with the superlative of adjective. You must know that you have to master all these aspects. So remember well, at the level of the superlative of adjective, you have the superlative of superiority, where you have to distinguish the rule into short adjective and the rule into long adjective. So you have to know all these aspects. And after that, we saw the superlative of inferiority. We saw the superlative of inferiority, and after that, we saw the superlative of irregular adjective. So please do not make a confusion between the comparative, the rule of comparative, and the rule of the superlative. Okay? If you make a confusion between them, it will be very difficult for you to distinguish them. So try to know them differently or separately. They are not the same. Okay? So the comparative is different from the superlative. Okay? I wish all of you understood the lesson, even last time lesson. Okay? If you have questions, so I will be very glad to answer to all your questions. Okay? Put in mind that this lesson is very, very easy, not difficult. Even what we saw last time, the comparative, it is not a difficult lesson, but a very easy lesson. Okay? It is very easy. If you try to read, you will try to understand, and if you have questions, I will be very glad to answer to your question. Okay? So thank you very much for following me. Okay? I myself I'm very happy to give you, okay, I'm very happy to give you this lesson, and I wish you are going to put them into application. Okay? You are going to put them into application. So do not take them and put away. So if you take them, it means that you are going to revise them in order to understand. Okay? In order to understand all of them. So try to revise, and if you have questions, I am waiting for you. Thank you so much for following me. Okay? Have a nice day. We shall meet. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you so much.